What is up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog here in Japan. Today we are still in Tokyo. I think this is the second last full day we have in Japan, and it's starting to sink in. I'm getting a little bit sad, but that's alright. Some exciting news happened last night, so I'm just gonna ask for permission before I can share it. But yeah, it's just really exciting stuff. Anyway, I'm going to Family Mart to grab a couple of things for breakfast. I'm back home and I've just put hot water into this cup noodle. This one is from Nissin. This one is the seafood flavor. This is the big cup. I remember growing up in Hong Kong we had these, but they weren't as flavorful as this one. Like, this one's definitely, like, this, the flavor is really strong. I really like it. I think we have them in Australia as well, but they're not as good. I think it's like a localized version. So this is the authentic Japanese one. And yes, we've been putting all our coins in there. So if you guys are familiar with Japanese money, you can see there's like heaps of ones that we can't figure out where to use them, because a lot of the vending machines don't even accept them. So it's like, well, we're gonna be stuck with a lot of ones, just like 50s and stuff, so we can use that. But yeah, we've just been keeping them in this like Starbucks mug container thing that I got. Hey guys, so we are now at Roppongi station. So my partner and I are going to go to Lego, I think it's just a Lego store. He's really into hobby construction kits from Lego, so I'm just going to go there and purchase a couple, or a lot, I don't really know. It really depends on what he sees and what he fancies. So to get here, all you have to do is pretty much hop onto a Tokyo Metro line and get off at Roppongi. So it's actually called Roppongi. So the Roppongi store looks like it's larger than the other stores, so we're just going to check that one out first.
In between the lines, underneath your bed sheets. It started fun, but now I'm into deep into this flow. A zero-sum game that I will lose. There's no zipping past it.
Hey guys, we're here at this place called the Hills Cafe, just in Roppongi Hills Shopping Complex. So just having a look at what they have. I might go for a burger.
This flow, a zero-sum game that I will lose. There's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you.
I spoke to my partner about whether I should speak about this, but and he said yes. So I'm just gonna tell you guys now. He proposed to me last night at the Tokyo Tower. So yeah, I'm engaged officially, and yeah, don't really want to make too much of a big fuss about it. I might talk about it a bit more in another video, but yeah, just to let you guys know, I got engaged in Tokyo at the Tokyo Tower. Alright, our food's here. So I think that's a cheesecake, and that's a bit of corn, and that's just a classic burger. So I'm assuming it's like BLT, and chips. Alright guys, so I'm back at the Airbnb, freshly dry clothes. It's really nice and warm. So I went on Instagram stories to ask you guys for recommendations of stuff that I should buy at Don Quijote or like drugstores here in Japan. I have a general idea of what I want to buy. There are a couple of things that I've seen like in the last few weeks, months, that have really intrigued me, that I really want to try, and I know they're very affordable here in Japan, so I'm going to try them out. I don't really have a huge budget left, to be completely honest. I pretty much spent it all on food, experiences, and my Zors. So I only really reserved a tiny bit of money left for that sort of stuff, because I don't know, I have a lot of makeup at home, so I don't really feel the need to go crazy, but I just want to try a couple of key items. So we're just getting what we normally get. So we normally just get this one. This is the pork broth one, a fried rice, and a gyoza. These ones I think are vegetable gyoza, because I don't really see any meat in them, but they're still really yummy. So it's like a whole meal, and it's delicious, and yeah, so good. So again, this place is called Hidakaya Ramen. I'll leave a link down below, or the name, so you guys can look it up if you guys are visiting Japan, because it's a chain of restaurants and they're really, really good. Alright guys, here is our ramen. So again, this one is tonkatsu ramen. It's got fried rice. We're just waiting on the gyoza, but oh, it looks so good and it smells so good too. Devoured. Sorry, we didn't show you the gyoza. We just pretty much pounced on it, but that's what they look like. Alright, so I'm gonna check out this place called Matsumoto Kiyoshi. I think that's how you say it. But yeah, a lot of you guys have commented and I've seen BB's vlog, so I'm just gonna check it out. Alright, found the makeup section. Alright, I'm not sure if this Matsumoto Kiyoshi has only a few brands, but I don't see all the brands. So we might really have to go to Don Quijote, which is fine because I really want to go there anyway. So I'm just gonna see, because I know Matsumoto Kiyoshi is a little cheaper than the other brands. So I'm just gonna see if I can grab stuff here, then go to Don Quijote. I'm checking out this brand called Vise. I think that's how you pronounce it. I want to try this one, the 6. So I think it's only got like 4 shadows from what I can see. Yeah, that one kind of looks like the colors that I'm currently into, so I'm going to try that. Alright guys, so we're going back to the Airbnb just to chill for a little bit, and then we're going to go to Don Quijote. So again, this is the area, I would say like a modern traditional, so like Japanese home setup, at least here in Tokyo. And it's next to this sushi shop too. We haven't been in there because we don't really eat raw sushi, so yeah. Alright guys, so we're now walking towards Don Quijote, and there is a mini stop right there. This is the first mini stop we've seen, because we've seen Lawson's, 7-Elevens and Family Mart. That's the first mini stop. Now I know what they mean by when they say it's really rare to see one. Anyway, Don Quijote is like up that way. It's a pretty big one and it's open 24 hours, so I think it's a mega donkey. So we're gonna go in there and have a look. Hey, Don Quijote! As much as I love my Samsung phone, it's times like this I miss having an iPhone, because they literally have phone cases for every iPhone model. Not so much for Samsung. Alright, we have found the makeup section. Alright, so I'm gonna go through every single aisle and see what I can get. So many contact lenses, like so many. Ridiculous. This one. It's only a monthly though, so it's kind of like not worth buying. They're meant to be disposable. Alright, this place definitely has more makeup, so I'm just gonna wander around, look for stuff that I need. Oh, there's XL. This is one of BB's favorite brands, at least for eyebrows. I know she mentioned she liked their eyebrow products. I don't know what I want. They're still pretty affordable, but like they're a little bit more on the expensive side, I think. Oh, they have one of these like eyebrow stamping things. It's called an eyebrow stamp. I don't know if I want to get it to use it for a video. Very interesting though. Okay, I think that's pretty much all the makeup they have. I might check out another Don Quijote if I have time, but I think I'm just gonna grab what I can from here. So I definitely want some eyelid tape. I want to grab some face masks, some skincare. Some of you guys have left your recommendations on Instagram and I really appreciate it. So I'm just gonna see what I can find here and which ones are in the budget. So the only ones that I've seen are fairly decent are these ones. These are the romantic mini ones in #1 Cute Eye. Like that's definitely like a flared out look, which is what I normally like. So I think I'm gonna grab one for myself and one for a giveaway. I'm also keen on trying out some masks. So they have like really inexpensive masks, like 100 yen for one. So I'm gonna see if I can get a bundle because they tend to be cheaper. If not, I'll just grab individual ones. Alright, so I'm biting the bullet. I'm also gonna get the Motte one. This is a little bit high for my budget, also because I have so many eyeliners, but so many people have requested that I try it out, so I'm grabbing it. Also one for the giveaway. Now at the supermarket bit, I think of Don Quijote. But yeah, we're gonna grab a couple of treats as well. We're gonna get some for work and just stuff for me. Oh, there we go. Snacks. Snacky poos. Just had a look at the treat section and honestly it's a bit disappointing. It's not like the Don Quijote in the city, I mean in Shibuya that we saw. So we might have to go to the one at Ikebukuro station. Alright guys, we're heading towards Sunshine City to check out some of the shops there. We didn't really see a lot of stuff from the Don Quijote. By the way, that Don Quijote was not a mega one. I got confused. I thought because it was so big that it would be a mega one. That's just a normal one. Anyway, we're just around Sunshine City. We're going to check out the shops here because we did see a couple of shops that had like treats and souvenirs and stuff, so we're going to check it out. So Sunshine City is pretty much there, but we're going to check out this one just because we walked past it so many times and it looks like they have a lot of treats. Alright, I think this is definitely the place to get like little souvenirs, and they look pretty affordable, like treats, not souvenirs. I keep saying souvenirs. Looks like they've got like raspberry flavoured Kit Kats. I might get one for work just to give them to my co-workers.